This Ninja blender not only crushes ice into snow in a very short length of time, but also makes great smoothies. Now, whether you are making snow for a snow cone or a mint julep or other adult beverage, watch this Ninja crush ice in real time. We're going to use this Ninja blender to crush our ice and see how well it does it. Okay. I'm filling the pitcher about halfway with ice. Put my lid on. Now these Ninja blenders, you got to be really particular where you put everything. You have to match the arrows up. And press the lid down. Now have it plugged up. Let's go for crush. Turn the power on first. Let's see, it is almost snow. We're going to go with crush again. Let's see, I think we still got a few more chunks of ice in there. Yeah, I do see another chunk of ice, so let's give it another whirl. I would say this is just about snow. So if you're wanting snow cones for your kids, you can use this for that also. Let's see what we have here. We're going to pull the blade out. We don't want to get our fingers cut. Just look how wonderful that is. Just absolute snow. We have seen that the Ninja blender does a fantastic job of crushing ice, but what about a smoothie? I'm starting with the cup of milk, and of course this could be any kind of milk substitute you wanted, a little over a cup of frozen fruit, and a banana, and a scoop of whey protein powder. I find it good to always put my liquid in first. Then I'm going to add a scoop of protein powder. A good test is seeing how well it mixes in the powder. My frozen fruit. Of course, my banana. I'm putting my lid, I'm matching up the arrows here. Turn on the power, let's toss it a little bit. Put it on. Let's see what this smoothie looks like. Is everything chopped up good? Let's see. That looks pretty nice and smooth. Let's give it a taste. That is almost perfect. Now if you would have liked yours a little sweeter, you could have added a little agave to it. Sugar doesn't dissolve very well in anything that's cold, so I like to use the agave. Okay, I'm making this drink. It's my lemon balm pineapple smoothie. Now lemon balm, it has this nice lemony smell, and it's known to, it's said lemon balm makes the heart grow gladder. So I'm going to put this in there, see how good of a job it does chopping up these little leaves. So first I'm going to put, this is a little less than a cup of canned pineapple. Put my banana in there. a scoop of whey protein powder. Now you can use any kind of supplement you would like, you know, especially the green one. The green supplements would be really good in this. Okay, my leaves. And I'm going to add about a cup of ice. Okay, I need to make sure my little arrows are lined up. Okay. Turn the power on. Okay, I'm going to give it a little taste and let's see. It may or may not be sweet enough. I don't know. I think I could use a little more sweetness. And I'm going to add agave. Now it's hard to add sugar to something that once it's cold because the sugar won't dissolve. So I like to use the agave syrup. I'm going to add just a little bit, a little scoop in there. Let's okay. Let's see how this kind of came out. I can still see that the little specks of lemon balm in there. See how it tastes. Well, this will really get me through my morning. Now, I received my Ninja used with no directions. I can not even get the lid off. It is really important how you put the Ninja together. And the handle goes on the front right side, or you will never get it together. You always have to make the little arrow, and this handle is lightening up there, and then you turn it. Now this big one has this 6th blade for when you're wanting to make smoothies or blender, any kind of blender drinks. And of course this has this arrow there that you have to put on and close the lid. Now this lid also has pouring spout. Okay, now this Ninja blender also, it comes with this little foot that you have to raise up when you want to pick your base up, and you push it down to keep it steady on your table. I'm going to just turn that around. Now once I learned how to put my Ninja blender together, I love it for crushing ice and making smoothies. And I will leave a link in the description box for my video making mint juleps. Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become yours. Now, if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.